I worked. I'm so proud of myself.
Well, guys, look, it's
Good morning, guys. So, I'm vlogging with the GoPro a little bit because I'm still getting used to it, but today is Monday the 6th. It is day 1594. Today I am going to a movie with Helena. Oh, I just reminded myself that I need to get the tickets because I was like, oh, I'm completely ready to go, but I need the tickets. And so yeah, I don't know, like, this is kind of weird to vlog with because it's in a weird pace. They're in there. This is kind of a weird camera to vlog with because it's just so tiny and I'm not used to it, and also, like, you don't grip it. You grip it completely different than my other camera. But I might try to get a little bit of footage on this today. I don't know. I'm still kind of getting used to it. I'd rather be like, have used it a while before I like use it a lot. But morning. You ready for work?
Yeah, but we gotta start going.
Oops. Oh, crap. Okay, guys, so I'm at the Max and I got this for Helena. Crap. Yeah. Turn this. Awesome. Jesus is loud. Be quiet. Okay, now do I turn the screamy thingy? I feel like I worked. I'm so proud of myself. I figured it out. Sorry. Wow. That is a wide lens. I don't know if I like wide lens. Well, it goes on my face and makes my face look real wide. Maybe I'll make it look skinny. I don't know. Alright. I figured it out. I'm so proud of myself. Ta-da. Alright, let's see if I can vlog with it now. Oh god, it's so tiny. It's hard to vlog with. Hi. I don't even have to make you come closer. This shots the whole area. Really? We could be like far apart. It's cool. So, I'm kind of mad at Bean Express right now because they gave me a very cryptic fortune, and like, I think I know what it's referring to, but I'm like, see if you can see it. Your boundless heart will make sometimes.
Oh, sometimes.
It seems to be recording okay. I think I fixed it. Let's see. Look, we got cake. Because somebody's birthday is soon. Who could that be?
I don't know.
Look how tiny
Could be
this is.
small.
Isn't this tiny? Alright, it's as it made it past 30 seconds.
That a good thing?
For some reason, this chip isn't working, so I'm testing it.
I think we got it though.
So I think I just re-entered it and it should be fine. I think I got footage before, but we're at Panda Express, which is weird for us because we never come here.
Here's my suggestion.
But, I mean, like, might as well go somewhere really warm that wasn't busy when we got here. Now it's really busy. Oh, no. It still works. Yay. Aha! I figured it out. All right.
I can have something for months and I can still have a hard time figuring it out.
We are
a long time
headed.
until I figure out my iPod.
We are headed to see the new Jigsaw. We are so excited. We're big fans of the Saw movies, so this is going to be interesting.
Which is, I apparently demented
Yeah,
to other
apparently.
people.
We're
What?
really excited, and I'm kind of hoping that we're the only ones at the theater. We will see. Okay, so we're at the theater. It is so cute. I love this little thing. It's so cute.
You would think after like all those times we got shows, we've stopped sharing drinks and food. We don't know.
That's true. We came here. We're sitting down. We're way early.
It starts at like 2:45 though, doesn't it? So like
Now we're not
10
so
minutes.
early, but we were here early. We're the only ones in the theater. Got our drinks. Alright, and now we've made it to this creepy spot at Willow Creek. And this is the first time I'm using this camera because I was using the GoPro. What'd you think of the movie?
my nose itches. What is this?
What a great reveal. I'm gonna go onto the movie site. Right, my nose itches and it's all my right. Jeez.
I thought it was a good movie.
It was super good.
It was pretty big on the gore factor.
Yeah, I thought it would be
Scary.
bigger.
I mean,
But I loved it.
it had a couple like suspenseful moments.
Yeah.
But nothing that was really that scary. I mean, it's like jump scares.
It fit perfectly with the other parts of the
And
franchise.
then the ending was really surprising. Like,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
I liked it. It was pretty good. Then we went to Dollar Tree and we got some stuff. Tootsie Rolls, bubble gum. But we had like a really busy like going everywhere day. Despite the fact that we sat in the theater for like 2 hours, I think it was, like maybe 2.5. We actually did walk today. We went to Panda, so score. And we did all of this to celebrate a birthday that's coming up. Are you excited about your birthday?
Is it Mary's birthday?
No. I know Jaren's gonna comment on that and be like, it's not Mary's birthday. Mary's birthday is in September. So
I know,
we
it's
decided to do
Kevin's.
this day.
It's Kevin's.
It's so fun. We got to go to the movie and hang out and go to lunch, and that was good. Whoa, that was fast. Get ready for your birthday spectacular.
It's my birthday?
Yep. Because I say so. Number
So how old am I turning?
22. Number 1.
22. I'm so happy.
To be honest, I don't like those. So
Dare you?
I was like, when you got excited about buying them, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna buy these and then show up 2 bags.
How dare you?
Then, number 2. I gotta find it. Hold on. Please hold.
Hold on, I'm gonna go back to eating my little things.
Ta-da! Cotton candy.
When did you find that?
I'm very sneaky.
Really? Was it when I was looking at the glasses?
No, it was before that.
How dare you?
You just don't notice when I walk off sometimes.
I don't
Number 3, this is kind of a Christmas / kind of a birthday present. We can each have one of these musical notes, which I will unpack in a minute. And also, just a side note, they're really sparkly, so good luck with that.
So they got glitter everywhere, basically.
Pretty much. Oh my god, I can't find it. Where did it go? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get the other present. This. Dun, dun, dun. Which is why I like really wanted your opinion, but you weren't giving me your like opinion for you. You were giving me an opinion for me who loves Harry Potter, so I was like, does she really mean that or does she really like the other one?